We had a fall a year ago. Felt like it just jammed everything up in that low back. Hasn't been the same since. And you get adjusted, but you said it just kind of gives you some mild relief, never really stays away. All right?
Yes.
All right. So
Let it all just relax.
Oh. Oh.
there you go.
I'm alive. Yeah.
I know that.
All you can say is you felt it all the way down.
I know you felt that all the way down. Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Opened up that whole low back. It's been compressed for the past year.
Wow. Thank you so much. All I can say is thank you.